Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this big spec 2016 66 plate Jaguar XE Prestige. Now this particular vehicle is finished in the stunning and highly desirable Loire blue metallic. Now that's actually a premium palette colour, quite an expensive factory option on this vehicle, but the colour combination on the car looks absolutely fantastic. So to the exterior is Loire blue, inside you get this lovely sort of creamy leather sport seats. The car being a prestige model comes very well specified from the factory. So we've got a lot of bright silver detailing on the window surrounds and your side mouldings within the centre grille there as well. You've got front and rear parking sensors. We're riding on these lovely 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels finished in a lovely sparkle silver. Looking around the vehicle, it seems to be in very nice order. Looking through to the rear, you've got the XE badges, you've got the 20D, meaning this is the 2-litre diesel. So the 2-litre diesels are very nice and easy to maintain. They only need servicing every 2 years or 21,000 miles. And they're 180 horsepower, nice on your economy, nice on your running costs. Now this one's also got the factory option of the split folding rear seats, something that you'd think would come standard on a vehicle of this calibre, but that is a factory option and just operated via pulling the yellow tabs. To the rear you've got a space saver spur wheel, which is fantastic as most of these cars usually come with the tyre inflation kits. We've got a reversing camera in there as well, dual chromed exhaust tips. Coming through to the interior, fantastic. So you've got this lovely contrasting stitch. All the bolsters seem to be in very nice order throughout. Looking at the leather itself, there's no signs of any sort of discoloration that you tend to get over time. It's never been smoked in. That's another nice thing because that tends to sort of linger around on the carpets. Coming through to the rear, very frugal use, I'd say. You've got ISOFIX in the bottom for your child's seats. We've got a nice central armrest with 2 cup holders there as well. Looks like it's never been used. And then looking through, you've got rear vents for the climate control, 12-volt power outlet. Ideally, if you've got children, they can charge their phones as you're driving along. But the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. All the netting is intact, so it's not been ripped with magazines and other bits and bobs. Coming through to the interior, we'll close the door, get out of the elements. So once you're inside, you're greeted with this lovely multifunction steering wheel, full smooth leather, which feels fantastic in the hand. Now you've got the flappy paddles on there, as this one is powered through the 8-speed automatic box, so very nice and smooth through all the gear changes. So the flappy paddles just allow you to drive the car manually if you choose to do so. You do also have a sport mode on the gearbox, which just sort of stretches out all the gear ratios for you, just gives you a little bit of added performance. Now, on the steering wheel is our cruise control and speed limiter. We've got our Bluetooth phone, our voice command, all of our volume and media controls. Then on the stalks behind the steering wheel, you'll find your automatic wipers, automatic lights, and your full onboard computer. Now, as we're doing this video today, this vehicle has only covered 40,563 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. You've got your lane deviation assist and boot opening just found down there. Coming through to the centre display, you get a nice big touchscreen with the easy select buttons down the sides. So we're currently in the home main menu. So you've got your media there, so just switching that on. You've got your full DAB radio, so all of the extended channels. You've got your FM, you've got aux on there as well. Now when you connect your phone, you've also got the Bluetooth music capabilities. Climate control. So this is a dual zone climate, so the driver can have a different climate to the passenger. You've got your heated front screen, heated seats as well, so mine's currently on and is very toasty, so you can switch that off just like so. Going back through to the home menu, you've got your in control, applications, eco data, valet mode, screen off, and your camera as well. Now, coming down to the bottom, lots of piano black detailing, lots of sort of bright silver inserts. The fit and finish of this vehicle is fantastic. So you've got your full drive select there, so it's currently in normal mode. You've also got your dynamic, eco, and your all-terrain. Electric parking brake, central armrest in superb order, and then within there is your satellite navigation, SD card, aux, USB, and a 12-volt power outlet. Lots of documentation with the vehicle as well. So looking at the book, we've got the original book pack. The locking wheel nut is found just within there as well. So all the documents which were supplied with the vehicle from brand new are in there today. We've got the service stamps from Jaguar. So if you go through to our advert or just flick through our photographs, you'll see I've pictured the services. But I can honestly say, a very nice specification vehicle. These Jaguars, in my opinion, offer fantastic value for money. So if you were to compare this vehicle to, say, a BMW, Audi or Mercedes, I think Jaguar products should give you the best bang for your buck. They drive superb, so obviously, as I mentioned before, 2-litre diesel producing 190 horsepower through that silky smooth 8-speed automatic box. These cars are an absolute delight to drive, full of gadgets. So satellite navigation, front and rear parking sensors. This one's got the nice 17-inch alloy wheels, and then finished in this lovely colour combination of Loire blue. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, my name's Dominic. I'd happily look after you. There's also my colleagues Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help you. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Now at the moment we are working via appointments, so if you'd like to book a viewing for this vehicle, please do get in touch before coming down. We'll happily book you in. Or if you require anything further, so if you're travelling the distance or you're thinking to travel the distance, if you like a personalised video, if you like more images, or you like to do a live chat with us, we can always do that with you as well. But thank you for watching the video. I recommend having a look at our reviews. We're a 5-star dealer and auto trader with just over or just under 500 5-star reviews. But again, thank you very much for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.